Hello, hello. Okay, so I have completed the modified model of the police bot, and forget the bones. These are all deformation bones and some root bones. And master control. So, uh, let's just I'm just doing the weight print of this part remaining. This is our hidden gun. So we will have to just, you know, this is the part remaining. I have to just weight print this. And then we are good to go and creating some more functions for that part. So like this master register and register and dash address style like this. And assign edge. Then name postal control. This part will be nice. Okay, so like this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. Master of all. Okay. So assign touch. Okay. So now this is master control one. You can see the name here. Okay. Okay. Nice. Master control one. Fine. If you are doubting whether you are doing it right, just go to the waypoint and you will see here. It's completely right. So now master control two. Select this. This. Okay. Assign and hide it. And assign hide. And now and and voice sound three. Okay. Assign edit. And now this is the fourth one. And assign height. This is fifth one. Mm, okay, yes. This is fine. This is fifth part. Assign height. Con Control L. This is the eighth one. Assign height. Shift L, Control L is the shortcut for selecting the whole thing you have selected. So this is the ninth one. Nine, the sign and hide it. Yeah. This is a head rule which we don't require. Okay. What we need is like, let's start with the small bones. So things like this. L, Control 10. This is the 10. So we will go in like the thing that are small. So we will be clearing out the whole scheme. one by one, and the whole big chunk part will be remaining. So like this is bone one and this is bone. These two bones, and then other one will be the main six. Okay. So let's just uh, select everything. Shift L, and then Shift L. Okay. Then this one will be the bone six. That's nine and five. The remaining part will be bone. U and E. So this part will be comes. Okay. So this part come under this one. Assign height. This one will be under this. Assign height. Now nothing left. This is the whole stuff, and then we will just select it. It is the arms in front. Remove the in front option as well. So like let's enable the in front option for now. So now like we will just have to animate it. So you can just animate it like the head root will be the oh gun will be. There is a small glitch right now we have. Like in edit mode, I have to just control here, control P offset, and then in our pose mode, like this, see, let's see, siren is not that part of this. So it's a good thing that keep testing your rig until it's fully automatic and ready to go. And now I have to just these things now. M unwanted backup. This will be the backup parts. Enter. Save. And this backup part will be like never exist. Oh. So now the thing is that in pose mode, if I select this part, whole thing, and this will be like no. This will be like whole. Oh, one more thing remains. I thought our rigging part is completed, but no, that's not the case right now. Okay, so there is some issues we have to encounter right now, which are the height, yeah, which will be like aligning this control select this edge, select this control select you can select this edge. Okay, so right now the thing is we have these part. Okay, and I have to know because these part are there's little bit confusion. If my calculation is not wrong, these part okay, this part has to work when this thing deforms. These are also automatically has to be deformed, but right now it's not working like this. So the thing is that shift has okay. So now I will just delete all of these. What the hell is this? Okay, this is the guy. No issue, bro. No issue. I just have to make it here and then shift it D R and just rotate it. See, now it's duplicated and then I will just unhide the where is the armature? Unhide the armature and then in edit mode I will add, hide unhide everything and the cavity should be not should be but it is good to keep it on and random yeah now it is good. So like if I go to pose mode and then I will just remove it. There is no need to be in these conditions. We like this. CTR, 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 R, CTR, 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 CTR. Okay, aiming for this. Chaos are very going to be very tedious. Main game, mm, control F to find, you have to find B and replace that B with A. Okay. Oh no, why? In this one, uh, control F to find B, replace with A. Okay. And make control F2. Oh, I just have to change it to bones. A and let's uh, let's first do with this. No. This will be the C. F2 no control F2 C C control F2 D control F2 E control F2 F G control F2 H push. So now it's done. Now the part remain is 001 00. Everybody has a different number. Okay, so control F2 and it replaces with nothing. 0.001 for now. Need. Okay, control F2, make it 2. Control F2, 3. Control F2. Oh, Control F2. What I This is the boring work to, renaming the thing. But if we don't do this part, it will be more headache in the future. Okay. So like just oof. So like now I have to just select bone three. Bone three is up. So B A A B C D E F two F F four G H. Okay. Now one more thing that I just want to define and the file. Okay, these things will deform, but these don't deform. That's the important things to see where your IK controls. These are IK controls. These A B C D E F G H are IK controls for this whole movement. So they will be not deforming an image. They will be controlling these IK chains that we are going to be creating. Okay. So now just let uh, do some what can I do? Let's start with uh, A control B automatic. Okay, now I have to just go and check it like main gate A and main gate B. Oh fuck, there is a fucked up scene we have. I have created a fucked up scene over here. So the thing is that I just say capital A, capital B, it's replaced everywhere, capital A. Oof, fuck. So the thing, those vector group that we are not required, I will just main boosters, we don't require main boosters. Booster we also don't need MG, this is a A. So B, E, F, G, A, G, E. This is A. Another way I have been looking for. Where is the other A? Mhm. And you know this thing deforms, huh? So, oh, this thing also don't deform. Oh, fuck. There is a huge mistake, guys. This thing also need to be deformed. If this thing won't deform, the whole thing would be a mess. Now I understand why the hell that issue was arising. Okay, so now let's do again. Control T. Reprint. What is it? This is it. And the fact, still I don't get it. Why Ram? MG gate B. So if I select this MG gate A, MG gate B, this one only has two. But this one I don't need this thing I need. This thing I need. Okay. This one works. Okay. Now it's done. Oh, everybody has copied the same thing. So now control P and then automatic gate. Now I will select and then I will just choose the thing with H. Yeah, this part is also done. Now this master name, this will be like this, control P, automatic gate. No, I just select every part. This, control P, automatic gate. Everybody's got. Okay. So now let's start with G. Mm, this is F. Okay. I'm just removing this vertex root only. Well, they won't do any, harm to it, but they will just make it a headache to, find the right vertex for me. I will just remove this thing so I don't have to find those, groups for the way printing the thing. That's the only reason why I'm doing this part. Otherwise, I have to search the whole name of the, code and then assign the weight to it. But after doing this, I don't have to, manually search the name. I will just get this in the top and okay. After doing this, I just have to hide the bones. Okay. So if you want to know anything, you can comment it in the comment section and let me know about the thing that you want. Okay, so now I just want to add those things, yeah, which is weight paint like, no, 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 no. Have to like this or what is it? I just vertex it, assign. So when I will go to the, okay, now it's fine. Edit mode, assign, control I forgot that. Control assign, control assign. There is a small little mistake. Okay, one is outside, two is in. Okay, no issue. Just check two, one outside. Okay, now it's fine. I don't know why the auto normal work, but they usually work. Two one is segment is inside, so this thing need to be removed. Okay, but in the one section, I just make sure that this part will be removed. I'm not sure why, but this thing has assign remove. Okay, repaint, assign remove. Okay, repaint. Okay, let's just with this part. Assign. Oh no, remove. Assign. Repaint. Okay, control I and then assign. Okay, how they call edit mode. Assign. Remove. Control I. Assign. Remove. Edit mode. Okay, nice. Repaint. Okay. Edit mode. Assign. Remove. Remove. Assign. Just check it out. Okay. Fine. Repaint. Okay. Assign. Remove. Control I. Assign. Remove. Okay. This is the last, I think. Okay. So same thing. Remove from top one. Assign to the smaller one. Control N. Now remove it from here and assign it to there. Just check it in the, okay, now fine. Again, just check it this thing once more. Okay, fine. Now the thing is fine and then touch. Unhide everything. Now, the one thing that will going to give us a headache will be those very giant. I knew those things were going to be giving us some major headache. I'm trying to hide as much as once I can so that when the headache came, in that scenario, we are good to go. We need to be shift I. activate, and then construction one, two. Select, shift I, activate, one, two. Hmm? One, two. Okay, now I have to do this to every single one of that. I am assigning a, you understand. Okay, I keychain. So for these things, I have to do these things like this. Initially I thought it will work with one chain because they are like interpolated, not interpolated. Uh, they should have to work because I move one bone, one deformed, like that, and these will be work automatically. Like that, I thought it will work, but leave it. So now let's just say globally, and in our viewport zone, I want to see the axis. We fucked up with the axis completely. Completely, I think I just completely fucked it very much. So shift 10, control and for new shift, control shift and control Z, not Z. Let's hide the name right now. And I just want to, create a setup where I want to create a setup where so, like not these parts, but I will see if I do this, it will completely broke the system. But if I scale it, oh, it's okay. Individual middle part, individually, not individually, not going to work, but okay. What I want now is when I move one thing to this direction, like say, no, 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 this thing not going to work. No, let me just, give me a break, guys. I just want to check where is my fuck. Not similarity was this is same asset, hoverboard, Savos robot, hoverboard, no, asset, product, not this one, sci-fi, character, sci-fi shot, these are the shot, This is a short gate of forest. I'm not sure what is this, but I hope just this will be the one that I'm looking for. I'm just hoping it. Wow, wow. Gate of forest. I think it is, but 90% sure this that will be a different one. Yeah, this is different. Ring. I don't think it will be a ring one. Sci-fi shark, sci-fi character. New style will be the different one. This is the different. This is the main product. Sci-fi. I think it test. Let me just see these things. Yeah, using one five. That was an old file which I have learned how to do stuff. I don't know. It's just mhm. These are the concepts. Okay, environment, clear sky scene. No, it has to be. Okay, I'll just leave this one over here. This part I will do later. Okay, and let me go to the Alt H. A. I want this to be the Alt G. I want an rest pose where the character will be in its default pose. But for that thing, what I need to do is G. Okay, control that. This is the part which needs to be moved to inside. This is the part which needs to be moved inside. And then there are some issues over here. It seems. Mm, control. Shift as special selection. Future selection to cancel. Okay. Pose mode. Oh yeah. Like this, like this, like like this. Let me just, fix something so that we can easily do stuff that I need to. But I'm not sure whether I want to put this button. Let's just leave it up the top. The thing will be on the top. And there are other things that I think I need to be. H, 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 G, V. This is the one, G, V. Okay. H, 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 H. Okay, like this. Um, Control V, Control V. There is a problem. I spotted a problem. This is our head. Okay. So right now, I think I have to just press the V. This will be like F2 head below. This will be parented with Control P over spot. And no, this thing will be parented to this thing, Control P. And where is the hierarchy? This part will be parented to this Control P, keep offset. Okay. So if I go to this part, uh, no. Edit mode, F2, Control C, come outside of edit mode, and then create a new vertex group, name it like this, and then go to edit mode, select this group, assign, and where is head? Head, select the head one and remove the whole things, and then in pose mode, okay. So now the thing is the hierarchy little bit changes. 6 cones, 6 boosters, 6 cones, and all of them are present with control. We keep offset. And now if I do this part like this, Z, C, this is not the part of this thing. Okay, so now let's say place that. Yeah. This will be only controlling the thing, not other thing. Okay, so I will add a constraint to it. If this, so I got confused. It's, I'm not sure why what I'm going to do, but I got confused, which is I'm pretty sure I got. So let's say copy location of target is armature, and this thing is not in the world origin, local space by local space. So if I do, mm, yeah, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, copy to selected. So like over here. Okay. So now this one will be get a limit distance, and no, not limit distance. Hmm. Limit location. Okay, yes. In on local space or world space? World space would be fine, I think. Let's go with local space. Why? Why? This is like press N. Hmm. Oh, sorry. This is rotation. Ah, minimum 0 or maximum minus 0.5. Okay, so limit rotation, local space minus 0.5. Maximum 0, minimum minus 4.5. So like and this. Yeah. So by default, I just want it to be like this. And the thing, where is that thing? Yes, I think over this part, no, over there. Yeah, this is the ear rotator. No, this is the gun hole. This is the gun that. This is the gun that. And this is the gun. G V G G. And then I will just object mode, alt edge, pose mode, A, upside transform as the rest. Oh, I can't apply that, huh? We, we, For now, it's 90% completed. What what left for me is to do is to create controllers for the next most of the function, adding constraints and maybe drivers are very rare. Rarely I use, but constraint I can use. I use so just like this thing. Okay, so now that our touch is there, I can move it like this. See, the whole head is coming off. Boom. Now it can move freely anywhere if you want. Okay, controller. So now the bot is ready. See, it's completely ready. The only thing that remain regarding except for creating controllers is this part. This part is little, getting complicated. I don't initially thought it was going to be like this. Initially, my idea was like that to create one rig structure for this, and that will, deform all of these other seven meshes and create a gate like in sci-fi movies. They usually just create an instance of the object duplicated like Alt T, and then we can just, manipulate it if I manipulate one bone, but it won't, it is not working over here. So this is little bit a headache. So I will just figure it out how to do that and then let you guys know. Except that everything is done over here. There is nothing to do much more. I just have to animate it now, like a, demo shot for the vehicle after completing the rig, and then we are ready to go. So see you guys on tomorrow's, and hopefully we complete this thing by tomorrow and then move to our character. I want our character texturing remains, then clothes, and then I will animate the character, few short cinematic shots, and then cool shots for that. So see you guys on tomorrow's stream. Take care. And if you are new to this channel, please consider liking, subscribing to the channel and supporting us.